Fellow Americans, patriots across the world, today we witness the beginning of something historic, something that will be talked about for generations to come. For decades, we were trapped in a system built to keep the people down. Inflation, debt, control, you worked, you paid, you sacrificed, and what did you get in return? Broken promises and financial slavery. But as you know, there is one economic reform called NESARA, GESARA. They called it a theory, a fantasy, a conspiracy. They laughed, they denied, they tried to hide it, but today I'm here to tell you the truth. NESARA, GESARA is real, and it's happening right now. Over the past few years, quietly, behind the scenes, I've worked with a team of patriots, economists, and global leaders to design a new system, a system based on freedom, fairness, and true wealth. We planned it carefully, we timed it precisely, and we set the year 2025. And now the time has come, the NESARA, GESARA reset has begun, and at the center of this global transformation is a currency that will change the world. Introducing the NESARA, GESARA gold coin, the official instrument of the new financial system. This coin is more than just gold. It's the foundation of the new economy, backed by real value and recognized across the globe. On January 1st, 2026, this coin becomes the official global currency under the NESARA GESARA Act. Let me tell you what that means. No more income tax, a return to gold and silver, real money, not paper lies, the end of compound interest traps, and the total reform of the corrupt Federal Reserve System. For the first time in your life, you will live in a world where you own your value, where you are no longer a slave to debt. But now listen closely, because this next part is critical. Only 42 million NESARA GESARA coins will ever exist, and that's it.